all those healthy people who love lactose-free, gluten-free, sugar-free, vegan as well as organic food. Carrefour is here with its first cafe and Carrefour BIO store here in the UAE, right in city center Messam. So today we will have a quick walk through the store and see what are the different kinds of bio and organic products the store has to offer.
This is the first Carrefour BIO store. We are opening in the UAE, and we are opening in the MAF Carrefour retail perimeters. We are very proud of this. This is the continuity of the strategy we have to become the leading retail chain in terms of organic. We are proposing 3,000 SKU, fully organic. We are also proposing items which are gluten-free, vegan, keto, sugarless, and we are associating this new experience in very nice look and feel project with a coffee shop and proposing a dining solution to the customer.